Shalom! Bastir is back! This week is Passover. My mother is so mad at me. She was putting together the Seder plate. On the Seder plate, there is a baked egg, parsley, bitter herb, haroset, a cup of wine, salt water, and then I saw it. I saw it. I couldn't hold myself back. I saw a bone, a shank bone. I jumped on the table and peeked to make sure no one was watching me. I stole the shank bone. This week's word of the day is ganef. Ganef means a thief. I stole the shank bone. Shame on me. After munching on it for a while, I snuck it back on the plate because I didn't want to be known as a ganef. I even fessed up to my mom. She forgave me. The Seder will go on tomorrow night. See you next week.